Welcome to QuizQuest. Are you ready to test your brain power? This general knowledge quiz is perfect for curious minds of all ages, from teens to adults. You'll face 20 questions covering everything from geography, art and history to science, music, sports and much more. Each question has 4 options to choose from, and we'll explain the correct answer as we go along. If you enjoy quizzes like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new quiz. Now, grab a pen, keep score and let's see how much you know. Let's get started. Question 1. Which planet is known as the red planet? Is it A. Earth, B. Mars, C. Jupiter, or D. Venus? The correct answer is B. Mars. Mars is often called the red planet due to its reddish appearance, which is the result of iron oxide on its surface. Mars has the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, and the longest canyon, Valles Marineris, and has fascinated astronomers and scientists for centuries. One intriguing possibility is that life might have once existed there, and ongoing missions to Mars, such as NASA's Curiosity rover, continue to explore the planet's geology and climate. Question 2. What is the capital city of Japan? Is it A. Tokyo, B. Beijing, C. Seoul, or D. Kyoto? The correct answer is A. Tokyo. Tokyo is the bustling capital of Japan and one of the most populous cities in the world. Originally known as Edo, the city became the political center of Japan in the early 17th century. After the Meiji Restoration in 1868, the emperor moved from Kyoto to Edo, which was renamed Tokyo, meaning Eastern Capital. Today, Tokyo is known for its blend of traditional and modern architecture, advanced technology, and rich cultural heritage. Question 3. How many continents are there on Earth? Is it A. 5, B. 6, C. 7, or D. 8? The correct answer is C. 7. The 7 continents on Earth are North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Oceania or Australia, and Antarctica. These continents vary greatly in size, population, and biodiversity. For example, Asia is the largest continent, both in terms of area and population, being home to more than 4.5 billion people. Antarctica, on the other hand, is almost entirely covered in ice and has no permanent residents. Question 4. Which chemical element has the symbol O? Is it A. Oxygen, B. Gold, C. Osmium, or D. Oxygenium? The correct answer is A. Oxygen. Oxygen makes up about 21% of the Earth's atmosphere and is essential for the survival of most life forms on Earth, as it is required for cellular respiration, a process that releases energy from food. Oxygen is also highly reactive and forms compounds with almost every other element, including water, H2O, and carbon dioxide, CO2. Discovered by Carl Wilhelm Scheele and Joseph Priestley in the 1770s, oxygen plays a critical role in combustion, respiration, and oxidation processes. Question 5. Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? Was it A. Charles Dickens, B. William Shakespeare, C. Jane Austen, or D. Christopher Marlowe? The correct answer is B. William Shakespeare. Romeo and Juliet is one of William Shakespeare's most famous and most frequently performed plays. Written in the early stages of his career around 1595, the play is a tragic story that explores themes of love, fate, and conflict. The story is set in Verona, Italy, and revolves around the intense and doomed romance between two young lovers from feuding families. Shakespeare's work has had a profound influence on literature and drama, and Romeo and Juliet remains a cultural touchstone, inspiring countless adaptations in theatre, film, and literature. Question 6. What is the largest ocean on Earth? Is it A. the Atlantic Ocean, B. the Indian Ocean, C. the Pacific Ocean, or D. the Southern Ocean? The correct answer is C. the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest of the world's oceans, covering more than 63 million square miles, 165 million square kilometers. It extends from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south, and from Asia and Australia in the west to the Americas in the east. The Pacific Ocean is home to numerous islands, including many that form part of the Ring of Fire, a region known for its frequent earthquakes and volcanic activity. Question 7. In which year did the Titanic sink? Was it A. 1902, B. 1905, C. 1912, or D. 1922? The correct answer is C. 1912. The RMS Titanic, a British passenger liner, sank in the early hours of the 15th of April 1912 after hitting an iceberg during her maiden voyage from Southampton to New York. Of the approximately 2,224 passengers and crew aboard, more than 1,500 perished, making it one of the deadliest peacetime maritime disasters in history. The Titanic was the largest ship afloat at the time and was often referred to as unsinkable due to her advanced safety features. The tragedy of the Titanic led to significant changes in maritime laws and safety regulations. Question 8. What is the main ingredient in guacamole? Is it A. avocado, B. tomato, C. onion, or D. zucchini? The correct answer is A. avocado. Guacamole is a traditional Mexican dish made primarily from mashed avocados, often combined with ingredients such as lime juice, cilantro, onions, tomatoes, and chili peppers. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fat, which is known for its heart health benefits. The fruit also provides vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Guacamole has been part of Mexican cuisine for centuries, dating back to the Aztec civilization, and it remains popular today as a dip, condiment, or salad ingredient. Question 9. How many sides does a hexagon have? Is it A. 5, B. 6, C. 7, or D. 8? The correct answer is B. 6. A hexagon is a polygon with 6 sides and 6 angles. In geometry, hexagons are notable for their ability to tessellate or tile a plane without leaving any gaps. This property is why hexagonal shapes are often found in nature, such as in honeycomb structures built by bees. The regular hexagon, where all sides and angles are equal, is a common shape in both natural and human-made designs due to its efficiency in covering space. Question 10. Which vitamin is produced when a person is exposed to sunlight? Is it A, vitamin A, B, vitamin C, C, vitamin D, or D, vitamin B12? The correct answer is C, vitamin D. When the skin is exposed to ultraviolet B or UVB rays from sunlight, it synthesizes vitamin D, which is essential for maintaining healthy bones and the body's immune function. Vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium, which is critical for bone health, and plays a role in muscle function and reducing inflammation. A deficiency in vitamin D can lead to bone disorders, such as rickets in children and osteomalacia or osteoporosis in adults. Question 11. Who was the first President of the United States? Was it A. Abraham Lincoln, B. George Washington, C. Thomas Jefferson, or D. John Adams? The correct answer is B. George Washington. George Washington served as the first President of the United States from 1789 to 1797. He is often called the father of his country for his leadership in the founding of the United States. Before becoming president, Washington was the commander-in-chief of the Continental Army during the American Revolutionary War, leading the colonies to victory over Great Britain. As president, he set many precedents, including the tradition of a peaceful transfer of power, and he chose to step down after 2 terms, setting an example that would be followed by future presidents. Question 12. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Is it A. Gold, B. Diamond, C. Quartz, or D. Sapphire? The correct answer is B. Diamond. Diamonds are the hardest naturally occurring substance on Earth, with a rating of 10 on the Mohs scale of mineral hardness. This exceptional hardness makes diamonds ideal for use in cutting tools, abrasives, and of course for jewellery. Diamonds are formed deep within the Earth's mantle under extreme heat and pressure, and over time they are brought closer to the Earth's surface through volcanic eruptions. Because of their unique properties, diamonds have been highly valued throughout history, not only for their beauty, but also for their practical applications in industry. Question 13. Which is the most spoken language worldwide? Is it A. English, B. Spanish, C. Mandarin Chinese, or D. Hindi? The correct answer is C. Mandarin Chinese. Mandarin Chinese is the most spoken language in the world, with over 900 million people speaking it as their first language. Mandarin is the official language of China and Taiwan, and one of the 4 official languages of Singapore. It is also one of the 6 official languages of the United Nations. Mandarin is a tonal language, so that the meaning of a word can change based on the tone in which it is spoken. Question 14. Which planet in our solar system has the most moons? Is it A. Mars, B. Jupiter, C. Saturn, or D. Uranus? The correct answer is B. Jupiter. As of now, Jupiter has 79 known moons, making it the planet with the most moons in our solar system. The moons range in size from small, irregularly shaped objects to the largest moon, Ganymede, which is even larger than the planet Mercury. The four largest moons of Jupiter, known as the Galilean moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, were first observed by Galileo Galilei in 1610. Question 15. What is the boiling point of water at sea level in degrees Celsius? Is it A, 90 degrees Celsius, B, 100 degrees Celsius, C, 110 degrees Celsius, or D, 95 degrees Celsius? The correct answer is B, 100 degrees Celsius. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit, at sea level, where the atmospheric pressure is standard at 1 atmosphere. At this temperature, water molecules have enough energy to change from a liquid to a gas or steam. However, the boiling point of water decreases with altitude because the atmospheric pressure is lower. For example, at higher elevations, such as on a mountain, water will boil at a temperature lower than 100 degrees centigrade. Conversely, in a high-pressure environment, such as a pressure cooker, water will boil at a temperature higher than 100 degrees centigrade, which is why a pressure cooker helps to cook food faster. Question 16. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Is it A, China, B, Japan, C, South Korea, or D, Cambodia? The correct answer is B, Japan. Japan is often referred to as the land of the rising sun because it is located to the east of the Asian continent where the sun rises. The name Japan is derived from the Chinese characters Nihon or Nippon, which mean origin of the sun. The country's location east of the Eurasian continent and its cultural significance in East Asia have made this nickname widely recognized. Japan's flag, known as the Nishoki or Hinamaru, features a red circle symbolizing the sun. Question 17. Which organ in the body is primarily responsible for filtering blood? Is it A, the liver, B, the kidney, C, the heart, or D, the spleen? The correct answer is B, the kidney. The kidneys are a pair of bean-shaped organs located in the lower back on either side of the spine. They are primarily responsible for filtering waste products and excess fluids from the blood to form urine. Each kidney contains about 1 million filtering units called nephrons, which remove toxins, regulate electrolytes, and maintain the body's fluid balance. The kidneys also produce hormones that regulate blood pressure, control red blood cell production, and maintain calcium levels. Question 18. What is the tallest mountain in the world? Is it A, K2, B, Mount Everest, C, Mount Kilimanjaro, or D, Denali, formerly known as Mount McKinley? The correct answer is B, Mount Everest. Standing at 8,848 meters, 29,029 feet above sea level, Mount Everest is the highest mountain on Earth. Located in the Himalayas on the border between Nepal and the Tibet Autonomous Region of China, Everest has been a major destination for mountaineers from around the world. The first successful ascent was made by Sir Edmund Hillary from New Zealand and Tenzing Norgay, a Sherpa from Nepal, on the 29th of May 1953. Climbing Everest is extremely challenging due to its high altitude, unpredictable weather, and the physical demands of the ascent. Despite these challenges, thousands of climbers attempt to reach its summit every year. Question 19. What is the chemical symbol for gold? Is it A, Ag, B, Au, C, Gd, or D, Hg? The correct answer is B, Au. The chemical symbol for gold is Au, derived from the Latin word aurum, meaning shining dawn or glow of sunrise. Gold is a highly valued precious metal and has been used for currency, jewellery and decoration for thousands of years. It is known for its malleability, ductility and resistance to corrosion and tarnish. Gold is also an excellent conductor of electricity and is used in electronics and medical devices. Its rarity and physical properties have made it a symbol of wealth and power throughout human history. And finally, question 20. Which artist painted the Mona Lisa? Was it A. Vincent van Gogh, B. Pablo Picasso, C. Leonardo da Vinci, or D. Michelangelo? The correct answer is C. Leonardo da Vinci. The Mona Lisa, also known as La Gioconda, is one of the most famous paintings in the world and was painted between 1503 and 1506 by the Italian artist Leonardo da Vinci. The portrait depicts a woman with an enigmatic expression which has intrigued viewers for centuries and is housed in the Louvre Museum in Paris, where it attracts millions of visitors each year. The Mona Lisa is renowned for its sophisticated use of sfumato, a technique that creates a soft, gradual transition between colours and tones, contributing to the lifelike quality of the portrait. That's it for today's quiz, and thank you for playing along. If you enjoyed this quiz, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you'll know when the next quiz drops. Finally, don't forget to let us know your score in the comments, and we look forward to you joining us again for our next quiz.